everyone. Welcome to Divya English Academy. Today I am going to conversate with Anushka. Hi Anushka.
Hi Anuradh.
How are you Anushka?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm also fine. Let's start the topic. Our topic is noun. What is a noun?
Noun is a naming word like names of places, names of person, names of things, names of insects.
Okay. And what? What? Can you tell me how many kinds of nouns with definition?
Yes, there are 5 kinds of nouns. First is proper noun, second is common noun, third is collective noun, fourth is abstract noun, and fifth is material noun.
Okay.
Can you tell what's naming word? What's noun?
Yeah, a noun is the name of person, place, animal, or thing. And can you tell me what is a common noun?
Common noun is a dog, girl, boy.
What is a proper noun with definition?
Like a particular person, name of things.